Ever wondered how to create an organization chart in Excel in just 30 seconds? What if I told you it's possible with just a few clicks? Stay tuned, because in today's video I'm going to show you a lightning-fast method to create a professional-looking organization chart effortlessly. Before learning this trick, creating an organization chart used to be a time-consuming task, requiring manual drawing and arranging shapes. It was a tedious process that often took hours to get right. But now let me show you how to do it quickly and easily. My boss gave me the task of making an organization chart and I completed it in only 30 seconds. Here is how. First, go to Smart Art and click on Hierarchy. Select the desired layout and click on OK. Now paste all your designations into the chart. Simply arrange them as desired and it's done. As a result, you have a professional-looking organization chart created in a matter of seconds. This method not only saves you a lot of time, but also ensures your chart looks clean and well organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others. Thank you so much for watching.